Hi friends, in this video I am going to talk about the concepts of dividend. Dividend is the return which the shareholder gets for investing into the company's share. When you put your money in the fixed deposits with the bank pays you interest. Similarly, when you invest in the shares of the company pays dividends to its shareholders. Now, how does a company pay dividend? Dividend is generally paid out of the net profits earned by the company in one financial year. So let's say a company has earned 20 crores of net profit in one particular financial year. Now out of this 20 crores, generally the company will keep some amount aside for future growth and expansion, and some amount as a reserve or as an emergency fund for future purposes. Okay, and then balance amount is what will be paid to the shareholders as dividend. So let's say out of this 20 crores, company has kept aside 10 crores as for future purposes. So then the balance 10 crores will be paid to the shareholders as dividend. So if there are 1 crore shares of the company, then 10 crores divided by 1 crore is 10 rupees dividend per share is what company will pay. So if you have 1 share, you will get 10 rupees dividend. If you have 100 shares of that company, you will get 1000 rupees as dividend in your bank account. Now, it is not mandatory for a company as per the Companies Act to pay dividend to the shareholders. It is purely based upon the discretion of the board of directors and the management of the company to pay dividend or not. And generally, if the company is making losses, it will obviously not pay dividends. And if the company is having good profits, then most of the companies pay dividend to the shareholders as a reward for investing into the shares of the company. And in India also, generally all the good companies pay good dividends every year to the shareholders. And also, all the listed companies have to disclose the dividend policy to the shareholders in their website and in their annual report. So I hope now you understand what is meant by dividend, how do the companies pay dividend to the shareholders. Thank you.